Zaxis here. In this video tutorial, I will be creating this particular flyer. It's a flyer I did for a friend. So let's just go straight to the tutorial. So I'll be using my pixellab, which is our design software. So I'll just come here. I'll just make the color probably black, the background, because I'm not actually making use of it. And or better still, come to from gallery. So this is the background I'm making use of. This is it. So I'll just click on this option. Let me just unbox it already. Just come here and just select this particular part. Okay. Alright, so this is what I'm having. So the next thing I'll be bringing is this element, this one. Now the resources will be in the description of this video. If you just joined me for the first time, hit the subscription button. Please subscribe. Alright, and you can also check my previous videos. They will help you a lot. Okay, now it's dark, so we can't see it. So I'll just come here and change the color. Charlie, I'll change the color to white. Then I'll just easily stretch it. Make sure it is here, Charlie. Why Charlie this morning now? Okay, so I'll just reduce it to about -5. Okay, now it is -5. So the next thing is we'll come here and bring in a shape. Then I'll position the shape here. Alright, so I will just lock the shape. So the next thing after bringing in my shape is start come here, bring in circle. Alright, so I'll just come here and change the texture of this circle. So I'll select the portion I want for my circle. So this is what I want. So I'll just I'll just come here and maybe just edit this. I don't like, so let me just select this portion, please. I'll just stretch it, or you can select let's just select this area. Okay, so we can just easily stretch here. I don't know, I'm just struggling. Let me just pick anyone, please. Let me just pick any area. So when we just compare it, it's kind of not giving me the feel anyway, that particular feel. So that's why since I've looked at it now, I should be able to just pick anything that is kind of related. Okay, so I'll just go with this one. So the next thing is just I will copy it into 2 places. Then also now copy, but this time I'll reduce the size. Then I'll just come here and position it to the center. Okay, make sure this one is also at the center. Now this one, I will come here and delete the texture. I'll change the texture rather, instead of deleting. I'll change it to this. So I'll position this one here. Then I'll just stretch. Is it okay? It's not looking okay, but that's how the image is. So I will rather increase the size a bit. Then I'll just position it this way. Then I will come here and which one? Okay, this, the last one and this one. So I will just merge the two of them together. Okay, so we have this one now. We have this one. So the next thing is we just bring in this one. So let's increase this one a bit. So this other one we'll just copy the same thing, make sure it's at the center. Then this one will reduce the size. Okay, now I will just come here, texture, and bring in this one. Now the resources will be in the description of this video. Please hit the subscription button. Okay, so I will just come here and merge this one. I think both of them are visible. Okay, so I will just feel like singing. Okay, so the next one is this other guy. I'm bringing it to the front. Then I'll just, copy, change the texture to this one. Let's just make use of this one. Okay, I think this one is okay the way it is. All right, so okay, so I have this here. Okay, it is now officially locked. Officially 32. So we'll just come here and adjust this. So I can't get 32. Let me just reduce it. Okay, so I have come here, use my relative position, come and make use of this, bring this guy here. Okay, I'll be bringing this one here now. Let me just come here, use relative position and position the three of them to the center. Okay, now I have this one here. Let's still go back and check. Okay, we're still in line. Okay, so I'll just then this other guy too. Send this one here and make sure it's at the center of yeah, now it's at the center. Now we have this one already. Now just come here and give it a bit of shadow. Is it necessary? I just want to make it feel this like it's levitating. Okay, now I have this. So the next thing I'll be bringing is the brand logo icon. Okay, I guess I should have it. Well, okay, this is it. Then I'll just, from this particular area, just highlight it here. Okay, now the name of the brand actually sounds funny. Anyway, I won't lie. So in case you just joined me for the first time, hit the subscription button and let's see in some other videos. So you can also get notified when I upload new content on YouTube. And let's see. So can just, so don't worry, let's just continue playing around. All right, so if there is not going to be space, I'll just come here and easily just come and just reduce the size of this. Okay, so I'll come here and still position them to this place here. Okay, I guess the space now, the space available should be the space current should be the space current space should be okay. So I'll just bring in my, let me just bring in my text starting from the brand name. I think I have it somewhere here. Stellar Gels. Okay, so the next thing is just this one. Then we'll, so is automatically is by default is aligned to this particular area. So I'll just come here and align to the left already. So I'll just come here and extra bold. So I will just position this one here. Okay, now I will okay, now I have All right, so this is deal with all kinds of the next thing on our line is this particular text. So for we're making use of regular. Montserrat regular. Now this particular regular is it kind of bold. If you see this one is thin, it's kind of like semi bold. So I prefer it. So but this time I'll make this one align to the center. Let me still reduce the size a bit. Okay, this is my conclusion. Let's leave it this way. All right, so the next thing is so I'll just call me a copy and paste. Now in case you don't know how I got the cycle, is just this element, this one. You can see it should be on your keyboard. So then but this one, this time I made it align to the left. So now I need my grid so that the two of them will be at the same position. So we did all kinds of services, luxurious services such as bridal necklace, in case you're getting married and you stay somewhere around Kano, so you can contact Stellar Jewels. Okay, so I will copy this and I have it here. Okay, so I'll just position this one somewhere around here, then come to wristwatch, copy, then paste. All right, so this time I'll just move this one here. Okay, so this time I'll just come here, click on these two, then move them to the center. All right, I'm okay with it this way. So the next thing I'll be doing is okay, just start bringing in this particular ones. Just copy, then just bring in my copy, but this time I'll change the color to black. All right, so I'll just paste this. All right, then I'll position it somewhere around here. Now this is the O social media icon font. Let's see. Now O is indicating my location. It's for location. Okay, so I'll just put this one here. So I'll kind of reduce the font size of this. I'll just leave it like this. Okay, so I'll bring in the other one. So you know what, I'll have to copy the same one, so the same effect is going to repeat the same effect on, okay, this same one. When I copy this one, I just come here, I double click, then paste. C, automatically C should be IG, but this particular font, okay, now I have this, so I will just copy this, bring in copy. So let me just put this one also here. Just paste this. Okay, so I have this one now. Here is like this. Then this one is somehow like this. Then this one is somehow like this. Then I'll just, let me just bring in this one, copy. Now this one should be the highlights. Just click on it. Just come here. I should have it in. Oh, I ought to have this one. I was really contemplating, really thinking I have it. Paste. So N happens to be your WhatsApp number. So for the N and O, so we have this one here. For F and C, should be somewhere there. Now we are done with our design. You can see it is quite simple. You can now take your design and submit it to your client. So now just save and we are good to go. All right, so that's all for this video. We'll see in the next one.